Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Absa account. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to transfer the money from your PayPal to Absa, you need to follow this step. So first step is link your Absa account to your PayPal. So just log in your PayPal. You can go to the PayPal website or app and then log in your account. Then you need to go to the wallet. So you need to click on wallet tab in your account. Then you need to link a bank account, so just select link a bank account and then enter your ABSA bank details such as your bank name, branch code and the account number. And after that verify your bank account. So PayPal will send a small deposit to your ABSA account to verify the link. So check your ABSA transaction history for the deposit amount and confirm it in PayPal. Now after this you need to set up FNB as an intermediary. So since PayPal operate with the First National Bank as its South African partner, you must use FNB to withdraw PayPal funds into any South African bank account including ABSA. Then what you need to do is create an FNB online banking profile. If you don't have one, you need to visit FNB website and then register for pre-PayPal services profile. Then you need to link PayPal to FMB profile. So just log in your FMB profile online and then go to the Forex PayPal services and link PayPal profile and follow the prompts to link your PayPal account. After that you need to withdraw money from PayPal. So log in your FMB online banking. You can go to the FMB website or the login in their app. After that you need to initiate a PayPal withdrawal. So navigate to the Forex PayPal services and withdraw from PayPal and then enter the amount that you want to wish to transfer and then complete the withdrawal. So follow the prompts to complete the transaction and FMB will convert that amount into South African Rand and transfer it to your ABSA account. So that is how you can transfer money from ABSA account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.